Yes, good morning guys. You know it's a boy Donovan from Positive Vibes Media and YouTube. So you know me I come out your next banger video again people. Don't know, please subscribe and share to DANAVAN65 on YouTube. Please like up a video them and share. Don't know, also subscribe to Positive Vibes Media on YouTube. I understand, I'm looking forward. So thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you for the subscribing, thank you for the comments them, thank you for everything. Stay tuned.
Yeah, baby. So you know, me sit down here, sir. I see you know you look good, man. Now like good.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. I'm here, so sit down by yourself, stand up by yourself, just for a look.
No, sir, I want to taxi, my love.
Taxi, my love. Okay, well, I just want to make you know, say, me no know you're nice. I don't feel like we get to know you. You can give me a number or something.
No, not interested, sir. So what kind of work you do?
What kind of work, me do?
Yeah.
Me got, you know, TikTok, tactic.
No.
You know, TikTok like, taka. Just what? How are yourself? It's one nice thing, but me can just give me a number and me can know me and him something there.
No, why are you ears, my love? Why are you ears, sir?
No, really, just give me a number.
No, why are you ears?
Hey, no girl me lost on the drama. They make me girl see that kind.
Sir, remember TikTok, you know. No, tak. Remember now.
Oh, you remember? So, a while ago, I did over the thing, if I remember it.
No, but remember now. So we want that your car this?
Yeah, my car, you know, this is my beauty, my baby, you know, but anyway, big up yourself here.
You know about my number?
Eh?
You know about the number?
The number?
Yeah.
Your number?
Yeah.
Your number?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a phone. You know, I put my number in your phone, and you can give me a call, you know?
Alright.
See my number here, yeah? Call me. Very real. Very really. Move from the car.